Lesson number 2. What is pure proof of stake? Today, anyone in the world can send and receive Algo, the native token of the Algorand blockchain, in a matter of seconds with nothing more than an internet connection and a compatible crypto wallet. This is because of Algorand's unique consensus protocol, pure proof of stake. Let's look at how pure proof of stake works. Like all blockchains, transactions on Algorand are grouped into blocks. However, instead of miners with lots of computing power competing to propose new blocks, which is the case for Bitcoin and others, Algorand nodes are selected randomly using a verifiable random function, an open-source cryptographic technique that was co-created by Silvio Micali. This selection process works a bit like a lottery. The odds of being selected to propose a block on Algorand are dependent on how many Algo tokens a node is holding. Holding tokens for this purpose is called staking. When you stake Algo tokens, you give them a chance to be selected. The more you stake, the better your chances become. In pure proof of stake, a single Algo token is randomly selected every few seconds. If that token is being staked, then the owner of that token gets to propose the next block. If it's not being staked, the protocol randomly selects a different token. In the second phase, approximately 1,000 tokens are randomly selected. The owners of these tokens then become a committee that verifies the block. This process repeats continuously, on average every 4.5 seconds, with new Algo stakeholders randomly selected each time. Owners of tokens selected in this process receive Algo as a staking reward. So how does pure proof of stake help solve the blockchain trilemma? First, it's scalable. Because verifying blocks requires minimal computing power, thousands of transactions can occur every second. Second, it's secure. When a stakeholder is selected to propose a block, only they know they've been selected. This prevents anyone from being targeted by attackers. Finally, it's decentralized. The pool of participants changes randomly every few seconds, preventing a handful of Algo stakeholders from controlling the network. What about forks? Algorand is designed to never fork and has been formally verified that it will never do so, so transactions are never reversed. This is because only one block can be confirmed at a time. When it's confirmed, the transactions in the block are instantly final.